Everyone, welcome to How Tech. My name is Sam. I'm a data analyst and RPA developer for one of the top government consulting firms in the US. If you want to know what RPA is and why it is a hot career right now and how long will it stay that way, you are in the right place. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notification when I post a new video. Also, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate your support. Now, let's get into the video. Why choose career in robotic process automation? That is the question you're probably asking. Even if you don't know what RPA is, this is the right video for you. You'll find out what RPA is and why it is going to be a hot career in the future. Now, the question is, what is robotic process automation? Robotic process automation is a software technology that makes it easy to build, deploy, manage software robots that emulate human action interacting with digital systems and softwares. So in the simplest term, robotic process automation or RPA is a software that can communicate with different applications and different systems. If you build a bot on a Windows machine, it can communicate with all the Microsoft product. It can communicate with Chrome or any other systems that you you will usually use in your job or at home or anything like that. So it can interact with any system that is installed on a Windows computer. Unfortunately, it cannot be used on a Mac OS at the moment. There may be some of softwares that can be used on Mac OS, but at the moment, mostly they are Windows based. What RPA can do for a business? So, accelerated transformation is one of them. Among global executives, 63% says that RPA is a major component in digital transformation. Major cost saving, RPA drives rapid significant improvement to business metrics across industries and around the world. Greater resilience, RPA robot can ramp up quickly to match workload peaks. So for this, if you have a seasonal workload, you need to hire a lot of people. So instead of hiring people, you can build a bot to do that job for you. Higher accuracy, since RPA is a rule-based, it uses if and when statement, so the error rate for is 0. Improved compliance, so 92% agrees that RPA met a accepted exceptional for better compliance. Boost productivity, 68% of workers believe that automation will make them more productive and more value for personnel. So if you have employees, they can run bots while doing their own job at the same time. This will increase their value. They'll be doing a lot more than they currently do than happier employee. So 53% of the executive says that RPAs increase employee engagement. It's just because when you have RPA implemented, your employees can, or employees in any business can implement RPA for all their repetitive tasks that they do on daily basis, and they will be doing more of the tasks that require critical thinking. Therefore, they'll be much happier at a business that has an RPA program. How big is the RPA industry? The global RPA market size hit 7.1 billion in 2021. This was because of the pandemic and the worker shortages. Many companies tried to adopt RPA. North America dominated the robotic process automation market share in 2021 with a revenue share of about $4.2 billion. According to the Fortune Business Insight, RPA market size between 2022 to 2029 will worth for $43.52 billion. RPA industry saw 8.8 growth during the pandemic only for healthcare. Healthcare was a big issue during the pandemic, and because of the worker shortages, many healthcare industry or many hospitals and other healthcare providers adopted RPA to do more of the manual tasks that they would hire employees to do, and that kind of led to this 8.8 growth. RPA industry to gain traction led by increased adaptation of AI, machine learning, and cloud. As we increase the data gathering technique, many companies that do data, they gather data, as they try to increase their efforts into how to use that data using AI and machine learning, the adaptation of RPA is increasing as well. And it will increase further in the future because of the amount of metadata we create and consume. Here are the top 5 companies that provide RPA development platforms. One of them is UiPath Inc. It is very popular in the US. It is among the top RPA platform providers. The other one is Automate Anywhere. It is also in the US. Blue Prism Group is popular in UK. Microsoft Corporate, their software is called Power Automate. It is Microsoft Power Automate is a great tool for all the Microsoft products, but when you want to interact that with other products like Google Chrome or any of the other systems, then it becomes buggy and it is not able to recognize most of these softwares. Because of that, it is not yet there. But UiPath is definitely one of the leaders in automation development in the US. And the fifth one is the Nice System LLC, Ltd. Is the Israeli company. However, there are a bunch of other companies as well that provide similar platforms, but these are the top 5 that uh, are used among different private companies and among the government. Now, the question that you are here for is why choose a career in RPA? So, I would give you 3 reasons to choose a career in RPA. Number first is rapid adaptation of RPA across various industries. So RPA helps businesses automate their repeated manual tasks, save them time, money, as well as other valuable resources, which will benefit the company in a long run. Driven by the benefits of technology, uh, many companies like Accenture, IBM, Infosys, Deloitte, TCS, and other using RPA to ensure speed and accuracy. Today, even SMEs have started investing in RPA and moving toward automation. By the year 2020, 90% of large organizations globally will have adopted RPA. RPA will achieve near universal adaptation in next 5 years. The rapid adaptation of technology is creating massive job opportunities for skilled professionals. These are among these jobs are between all the different industries, the jobs in healthcare, e-commerce, technology, online streaming, and many more. Reason number 2 is demand supply gap in skilled manpower. So do not go by the rumors that RPA will displace jobs. In fact, 52% of experts believe that RPA create many new jobs by the year 2025. With the rapid adaptation of RPA, companies are in need of skilled RPA professionals, and there are not that many of them because this technology is pretty new and it is still evolving. Reason 3 is easy to learn and implement. RPA is relatively easy to learn and implement. In RPA, there are many technical as well as non-technical job roles such as process designer, automation architect, project manager, uh, uh, business analyst, process SME, RPA developer, among other to choose from. RPA technology is famed as a low-code, no-code technology. However, there are few fundamental skills such as problem solving, analytical skills, knowledge of application development, API integration, data analytics that you will need to learn to launch your career in RPA. And these skills are easy to master and with the right kind of guidance with the fundamental skill, and it is best for you to have a good knowledge in at least one of the most popular automation tools such as Blue Prism, Automate Anywhere, and UiPath Studio. I'll be creating another video where I'll be showing you how to become a RPA developer in a very short amount of time. It is very easy to become an RPA developer. I became an RPA developer by accident, and I love it. It's so much. I'm very pleased to say that it was one of the best career choices I made. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification every time I upload a new video. Also, please look out for my next video where I'll be explaining how to become a robotic process automation developer in a very simple terms. It is much easier than you think. Thank you for watching.